This is a story of the baby of Doom. In case you didn't know, I'm the baby of Doom. I'm the big boy. I'm the big dog. You will do as I say. Now, I'm watching my movie right now. You need to get out my way. Shrek the Third is my movie. Here he comes. Hi.
What are y'all doing?
You're late. Come in, Austin. Come in. Sit on the bed. So, we can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. The choice is yours, Tom. What's it gonna be?
The hard way.
The hard way? Alright. Come here. Closer. What is wrong with you, boy? Ah! 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 Don't mess with my family again. You got it? You got it? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Boy, I'm not here.